Hi everybody, welcome back on another technical demo around the Quarkus application. In this demo, I'm going to showcase how to build your Quarkus application as a container image using Buildpacks for your cloud-native application development. Let's get started. The Quarkus fundamentally provides multiple ways to containerize your application as container image. As you can see, there are four types of the container image extension Quarkus provides for now. So first of all, the zip extension and Docker extension and S2I, aka sort to image based on OpenShift container capabilities. And today we're going to a little bit more deep down how to use Buildpack, one of the popular containerizing and application build as well for your containerizing application container images. Okay, let's get right into the demo, how it works. First of all, I'm going to create a new Quarkus project using Quarkus CLI. I just say the Quarkus created application buildpack-demo, and I actually edited one extension container-image buildpack, which allows download and pull the container Buildpack extension, my local system. So here is a generated hello world RESTful API as a sample application. I just try to change the return code just for fun, the hello Buildpack with the Quarkus. Okay. And then the last thing I just needed to do add one configuration here, the Quarkus Buildpack JVM Builder image, which is we're going to use here the Buildpack Quarkus Build JVM images. If you want to native compilation, you just change the image, native image as well. Okay. When you go to POM XML, you can find your artifact ID and also version, which automatically attach your container image name when you complete a container build. So in this case, our demo, buildpack-demo and the 1.0.0-snapshot is our container image. As you can see, there's no such an image at my local system at the moment. So I'm going to use the Maven command line, like a Maven clean package. I'm going to skip unit test because I just changed the return code, which calls like a unit test error. And then one thing I need to pass down as an option, Quarkus container build equals true, which allows me to build this application as a containerized images. Okay, it takes maybe a few seconds or a minute to finish your containerized image. As you can see, Buildpack automatically trigger your Maven packaging based on Buildpack project. And then as you see, we have a new container image after just Quarkus builds process succeed. Now let's take a look at and then double check the new container image just generated by local file system. So now we have here the Daniel O, just my username. You can actually specify different username with another configuration in Quarkus. So Daniel O slash buildpack-demo, which is the artifact ID and then the version name on 100 in the snapshot. Let's try to run this container as using Docker CLI and just expose 8080 port. And then once Quarkus gets started, let's give it a try to access the endpoint. So I'm going to switch to another terminal window and just to call the endpoint like hello, and it will return hello Buildpack with a Quarkus, which is really awesome. Okay, I'm going to stop my running Quarkus application as a container. I'm going to give it a try one more interesting thing to showcase to build this Quarkus application using pure Buildpack CLI, also known as a pack. As you can see, I'm going to use pack CLI to build the same or the Quarkus application, but I'm going to try to name the different container image name like a buildpack-demo, the 1.0 version, and then the same builder images. And I just run this command line, and then you can show this just packaging application a little bit similar logs when I run Maven command line. Then in the end, you can see the buildpack-demo 1.0 just generate, and then when you go to Docker images command line, you can find the new image just created. Okay, let's try to run this image at Docker CLI once again, just for quick sanity test. And then once Quarkus runtime gets started, and then we're gonna try to access the endpoint once again. So go to 8080 and hello, and you can see same result. Thanks for watching. Have a good rest day.